Hi guys, this is Shafiq. I'm here to tell you about Android Studio. This video is for those who are beginner and who doesn't know anything about the Android Studio and who wants to learn how to develop Android applications. And let's begin. Before that, you need to download an Android Studio from this website developer.android.com. Just download from here, whether you have a system support 64 or 32, depend upon you. And this Android Studio must have Java JDK. So you can download the Java JDK from the oracle.com, and you need to set the environmental variable for JDK. And after both Android Studio and Java are installed, Android Studio will look like this. So this one is the Android Studio. When you install and it is freshly open for the first time, it looks like this, and you won't be having these things. Three projects, these are my existing projects. So let's begin with the first project. When you open the first time, you'll get this screen. Just click here, start a new Android project, and application name, you can put your own application name. Just remember that it should begin with a capital letter, and my application name would be Captain, and this is the company name. Depend whatever it may be, you could like, but this is the package name. See, this is the most important thing. This must be unique. This must be unique, and this does not match with the any other application. Like in the Play Store, there are millions of apps, and they have unique package names, and your package name should not match with the other application. See, here my package name is com.example.patel.com. If you want, you can change like this. I'm keeping it as it is. Usually the package name follows this procedure. Like if you have website redstudios.com, then com.redstudios.captain. Usually people use this format. Fine. And next, click next here, and see this one is the minimum SDK. This is like if your project want to support from 4.3. If you select this one API 15403, then your project starts supporting from 403 till to the latest build tools like 5.1 RM. If you select 4.4, then your project will start supporting from 4.4 to 5. And it means if you take 4.4, your project will not support 4.3, 4.2, 4.10. Previous versions will not be supported, only further versions. And this one is the TV, where as a beginner I think you don't want to stress these things. We can go to the next. I'm selecting as this API 15403. Next, just leave these things, just select blank activity and next, and these things leave as it is. If you want to change, you can change, but I recommend that do not change these things. Finish. So usually Android Studio takes some time to load. Previously, before Android Studio, the Eclipse was used. I think still many people are using Eclipse. It is an IDE, but the Google recommended that Eclipse should not be used now, as an Android Studio is the official IDE. See, this is the problem. Project shell building may cause rendering errors. This error is specific for 1.2.2 in Android Studio. I don't know why, but these people told that they will fix for in the next updates. I have found the solution for this. Just rebuild show exception, the error will go. Yes, see. When you open the project, you notice that there are two tabs: main activity.java and activity underscore main. This is the Java file and this is the XML file. Let's begin with the XML file. See here, here you have a text view. Text view, I will align these things. properly so you can understand very easily. See, text view, and this is hello world. Here it is written here. See hello world, you can see here. So if you want to see that thing only, you can click to the design and you can only see the preview here. And if you want to make make this text bigger, you can just type here text like size. See text size, this one, select this one and take anything 30 sp. See, these are the units and these should be only sp, not dp, for the text. And for the other things like I will tell you later. See, this one is the text one. If you want to create a button of this, just copy this and just click and change this text view to button. See button. See, you can see here button. I'm going to change this with the linear layout. As a beginner, you don't have to stress what layouts are. I will tell you this in the future of videos. See, and I am taking this as orientation as vertical. See, when I take the orientation vertical, the button allied below the hello world text. And if you want to change the text of hello world to button, yes, button. See btton here, btton. And this, if you want to change this text, yes, captain. Captain. If you want to, like, if you want other things to drag and drop, see, you can see your frame layout, linear layout, there are many things. Like if you want a button, just drag and drop here. See, you can button here. See button. And this thing, if it is a very important thing, like I'm doing layout, wrap content, wrap content. See what happens if I change the layout width is equal to, not fill parent, match parent. See, the whole width is occupied by this button. Even if you change this thing whole width of text view, match parent, see, whole captain text is aligned. Like if you want this text to be in the middle, you can just write here alignment, text alignment, center. This is not center. Yeah, layout gravity, center. I don't know what happened to it. Yeah, you can do like this also. Right underscore margin left, we'll keep this as 40 dp. See, it is moving. Like if you write 100 dp, yeah, it is moving. And we'll go to the Java file now. I think you have understood the basics of what is XML file. Using XML file, you can change the layout. here see